So in golf, I'm laying back in my nice, comfortable chair, chilling. So in golf, I did the in golf. So I got this going. Always just have a demo going, but that's just how I do it. I like to have it's like a demo going. Anyway, so just showing you uh, the in golf past 100% gain. I had to track this from another account and then carry the balance over. So, whew, but I had 100% gain and yeah, November, October. So no, November. No, it's November. Yeah, beginning of November, October, December, January. So it took 3 months to gain 100%, pushing it to the max on a 55 to 1. But we're seeing this stuff happen. Go over here. Seeing this stuff happen. And then I can't play it because you're not going to hear the sound of it. But what was that? Yeah, because they're placing a tariff on China, Mexico, Canada. So Trump is announcing that. And so since they refuse to basically cooperate with Canada, well, yeah, their alliance against America. These are people against us. Um, they're basically getting exposed. Uh, they work with the narco terrorists, and so yeah, they want to fight back. So basically, it's going to end up crushing their own economy. So we're going to see this take off. I mean, this is going to, the previous 2020 was up here, right? I don't, it doesn't go back far. I have to get the larger package. It's going to stop. This is going to break new highs. This is going to be like crazy. Yeah, so there's a harmonic probably up there. So, yeah. Um, so we're going to see this thing head up. It's about to get nuts. Wow, another 8. It's gonna be crazy. Um, Same thing with USDMXN. Gonna be back up to where it was up here. So, cause it's gotta close this open harmonic right here. I can see it. It's a little green thing. There's an open harmonic there. It has to close. So they were basically destined to do this to their economy. The Now after this happens, they're going to get their act together and you start to see it come down. But it's going to get really bad, and they're eventually just going to have to give in. This is going to have to come down. Not yet, not yet. So probably a few years. Um, and this one's going to break new highs. Uh, Oh yeah. This one's just gonna go straight up. I mean, let's look at this being on the weekly. It's really trending up. It has these falls, right? This is, and then it hits 1, 2, 3. China has controls. They're putting controls to bring down their currency, but it's just been a tough battle. Eventually, it's just gonna break through. It's just gonna say, "Oh, the heck with it," because they had given up back here. Uh, I'm trying to figure it was back. Was it 2000? No, forget when it was. It was. Trying to think. It was here, right? 2020, like 19, somewhere in there. And their experts were saying that, oh, it's not going to go past 7. They're not going to let it go past 7. They're not going to do, and it popped past it and dropped back down, right? After COVID, after they stopped uh, blocking people. What do you call it? Bolting people's apartments closed. They were like, it's crazy, crazy time, China. And then it dropped. But then eventually, it ended up getting bad. It's just the real estate crisis. It took, I think it was the real estate crisis. Yeah, it's like the real estate crisis just, I mean, and it blew past it again, right? And they kept stopping it at the 7.3 level, 7.4, 7.3, like, and I had like 3.5 level. Um, and After them doing what they're doing, it's gonna basically, if they don't change their way, which they're not, they'll continue their communist policies. So it's gonna continue to go up. 1, 2, 3, and then break. So yeah, they're gonna take off. So that's uh that's what's gonna happen next. So yeah, that's it. See you on the next one. Peace.